In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Roblox screen time limit raised problem. Let's get started. First up, when the message appears, tap the add more time option and choose a time extension such as 5 minutes or 15 minutes to continue playing right away. This is only a temporary workaround. If you would rather stop the message from appearing again, open the Roblox app. Then click on 3 bars given at the top left. Now head over to the option settings. Now navigate to the option Privacy and Content Restrictions. Here you're gonna find this option of Screen Time. Click on that. If a daily screen time limit has been set, change it to no limit or disable the restriction. Finally, tap Save to apply the changes. Once you have updated this setting, the screen time limit notification should no longer interrupt your gameplay, allowing you to enjoy Roblox without the daily restriction. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.